So this video is about those gamers, those players of CSGO who are not pretty good at CSGO. I get you guys, you don't have a good PC, maybe. You don't have good skills, maybe. You have different reasons, right? So in this video I'm gonna show you some hacks. These are free hacks, but it will work. Like, you're not going to be banned by using those hacks. So the hacks are easy frags, which are used by Forsaken in the Pro League match. So leave that shit. First of all, before getting into the video, I hope you already have subscribed to our channel. If not, please hit the subscribe button. It will help me grow up so I make more good videos for you guys. So let's move on to the video now. All you have to do is go into the browser, type easy frags, press enter. The first site will pop up, easy frags public private CSGO cheats. Just go there. So see, it's simple. It says easy frag and easy to use fully undetected CSGO cheat. Okay, want to get back to the rank you truly deserve? Damn right I do. Okay, so the fact is there are two versions of this crack. Okay, the private version, the public version. Okay, the private version says it's undetected and unstoppable. The public version says free but easily detected. Okay, so it's simple. It's just marketing. Don't go for the words. It's just marketing. The private version says it cannot be detected and it's unstoppable. So means if you're like going rage in your hacking, so obviously someone from the opposite team will report you. Okay, that's obvious. And if you're reported, the Overwatch will see that and you will be banned. So no matter you're going to use private or public version, Overwatch can ban you. Talking about the whack ban in CSGO, whack ban means value anti-cheat, you know. So that is a cheat detector, right? So cheat detector is for the public version. It can be detected by whack, and it cannot be detected by whack, the private one. But the Overwatch can detect both because it's after you are getting reported, obviously. So in this trick I'm going to show you a simple step from which you can make this public version a private version. Means you're using the public version, means you are not paying anything to this website and you're getting the features of private version. Let's get into this. Time to go pro? Nah, I'll risk it. Okay, so you can see easy frag score USD, it's downloaded. Okay, so you have to just click on risk it. It's downloaded. So let's show in the folder. Where is it? Here. Just grab it, extract it. Okay, the password might be easy frags. Go for it. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the folder and paste it here. Okay, so there is one more zip file over here on my desktop. I'm gonna provide this in the description, named private. You just have to open it. There are two softwares, the Meta and the hash changer. You just have to extract both of them. No password. When you extract it, leave this one. I'm just gonna delete this one. You got these two folders. This is the crack. This is the hack, and this is the crack for the hack. Okay, take it like that. When you go into the easyfrags.com, like this folder, you can open this. Okay, but it's saying it's potentially unwanted software. That's obvious. You just have to close Defender for some time. Virus and protection. Just close it for some time. Okay, so now if you want to open it, it's obvious. Okay, wait. If Windows Defender deletes it, just do the steps again. Where is my downloads? Just do the steps again, extract it again. It's simple as that. Okay, yes to all. Okay, there's the folder. You can delete this one and paste this one over here. Now you can see it. Okay, so it's loading. Loading csgo.exe means you have to start the game and this will be started. You don't have to do this, just cut it over here. And now let's get to the main step. Open this folder. Here you can see two folder, one folder and one software, hash changer version 2. Just go in the hash changer and do one thing, browse the same software which is present over here, the hacks, the real hacks. Okay, just find it. It was in the desktop, easy frags. Here you go, open it. Okay, so it is the MD5 hash of that software, right? So you just have to click on the change file name and set custom names. Add any custom name you desire which you think can't be recognized by the WAC. Means simply like paint or word, like forsaken use word. Okay, word.exe. Just okay, word.exe is added. Just click cut and go for the change file name, change. So it will change that hacks to word.exe. Simple as that. You're done over here. Just cut it. Now go into the meta and right click on Thermida crack, not the Thermida. Okay, go on the crack and run as admin. Press yes. It will load the software. So once it loads the software, just open this folder. It's changed to Word, right? It's just the name and the hashes are being changed. Just grab this and paste it over here. Okay, grab this and paste it over on the name. If it doesn't work, like it's not working right now, try it without the admin. Grab it and paste it over here. Okay, it works right now, right? Okay, without admin it works. Sometimes with the admin it works. Check out both of them. Now application, just type the name you said, like word.exe. Okay, version, it's not important. Just click on protect and press protect here and wait for the process. You can cut out rest of the things. Okay, it's done. It's saying test protect file and close. You can just close it and cut it all. Now you can delete these folders and all shit. The main thing which is right here, you can make a shortcut over on the desktop. Like I'll put it over here. Okay, you can delete all these. Not this one. You can delete this one. Just put it inside the hard disk somewhere. So all you have to do is open this, and after that you have to open your Steam account. When you just open your Steam account, press play and wait till it loads. Okay, you can see CSGO, it's gone. CSGO client is going to open, means when game will open, it will open. So once you're in the game, all you have to do is you're like logged in the game. Okay, so press shift control and F11 to turn off the toggle message. It's written in the how to use the hacks on Notepad version, and you can do it. Let's start. Try to get in the match. I'll show you how to use the hacks. I've turned off the sound for some time. I'm gonna join this team. You can see, I can see everybody's asshole. Just press a gun. Alt is for tap. Like when you press Alt button, and it will automatically aim to the head. Okay, that's simple. See, I can see through walls, so I'm going there. Press Alt. Boom. Simple as fuck. Alt. Boom. You can change the head aim and all the shit. See, it's so simple. I'm a god right now. So just don't go rage, otherwise they're gonna report you, obviously. It's simple, guys. I'm going to be reported. So that's it. I hope you got this. It's so you can press alt tab when you're in the game, and you can see these things like one stands for it's on, 0 stands for it's off. You can just see this how to use and get it in, like F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, and shift plus Fn, which I said toggle kill message. Okay, so that's it. This is the rest of the thing you need is in this notepad. So I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. See ya.